because they're so intimate and they know Krishna so well. Why would they be so forgetful? Why would they be so neglectful? All right, they can neglect their families and neglect their duties and run to Krishna, but why would they be so neglectful in dressing? And then Sridhar Swami says, because it was deliberate. They weren't neglectful because they were in a hurry. They were. And they weren't neglectful or vyatyasta, dressing in upside down or topsy-turvy way or unusual way, extraordinary way, because of their enthusiasm to meet Krishna and the intensity of the thrill in their hearts, and they became somewhat bewildered. But actually, it's because they know that Krishna likes so much to serve his devotees.